Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate pudding at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also, have 2 cups of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter ready. These are the essentials for a delicious, easy pudding. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the cocoa powder, sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add about 1/4 cup of the milk to this dry mixture, stirring until it forms a smooth paste. Then, slowly whisk in the remaining 1 3/4 cups of milk until the entire mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. It's time to cook our pudding. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly with a whisk to prevent sticking. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Let it boil for about 1 minute, then remove it from the heat. Stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until fully incorporated. Almost ready to enjoy? Pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours until thoroughly chilled and set. Serve plain or with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.